If you've never tried Halu Holige, let me tell you, it's an experience. Think a flatbread soaked in warm, sweetened milk. It's like dessert in disguise as a main dish. And here's the kicker, it's ridiculously underrated. Now let's dive into the recipe itself because, honestly, its simplicity is part of the magic. We'll do it Tamil style, which makes it even richer. Here's why this works. The ingredients are everyday staples with some clever twists. Step 1 is making the dough for the holige. Mix 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour, a pinch of turmeric, and a tablespoon of oil. Add water little by little to form a soft, pliable dough. Let it rest for 30 minutes. The filling? Easy but crucial. Take 1 cup of grated coconut and mix it with 1 cup of powdered jaggery. Add a touch of cardamom powder. It brings that punch of flavor that defines the Tamil version. Here's the pain point, rolling the dough without tearing it. Pro tip, grease your hands generously with oil before you start. Flatten a small dough ball, stuff it with the filling, and seal it like a dumpling. Now roll it carefully. Don't overthink it. Too thin and it'll tear. Too thick and it won't cook through. Aim for a 1/4 inch thickness. Sounds tricky, but trust me, you'll get the hang of it after the first one. Heat your pan on medium flame and dry roast the holige until golden brown spots appear on both sides. No oil or ghee needed here yet. That's for later magic. Flip it gently, it's delicate. The milk base is what takes this up several notches. Boil 2 cups of milk with a few saffron strands and a bit of sugar. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Tamil style? Include a touch of condensed milk. Dip the holige into the warm milk mixture, and here's my suggestion. Let it soak for at least 2 minutes. That's where it becomes exceptionally soft and dessert-worthy, but not mushy. Serve it in shallow bowls. Drizzle a little ghee on top. The aroma? Pure nostalgia for anyone from Tamil Nadu. For everyone else, it's like discovering home in a dish for the first time. Pain point alert, managing leftovers. Pro tip, store the leftover holige separately. Keep the milk in a sealed container in the fridge. Combine and reheat only when you're ready to eat. Keeps everything fresh. So there you have it, Halu Holige explained step-by-step Tamil style. The prep might seem a little elaborate, but the payoff? Totally worth it. Every bite feels like a celebration, straight from South India to your plate.